Welcome back guys. In last video we talked about how to create NumPy array with the help of various functions. Okay. If you did not see last video of this NumPy series, then please pause these videos. So today in this video we will talk about how to reshape array. Okay. So now I am starting. First of all, I import NumPy as np. Okay. So import NumPy h np. Okay. And hit shift enter. Okay. So now I am generating random numbers with the help of randint function. Okay. So n is equal to np dot random dot randint, let's say 1 comma 100 comma 20. Okay, so we want to create 20 numbers, 20 random numbers between 1 and 100, and here 100 will be exclude. Okay, and now we hit shift enter and see n and hit shift enter. See this 20 numbers between 1 and 100, 20 random numbers. This is Bundy array. Okay, we can also check the type of this array with the help of dtype and dot dtype and hit shift enter. See this type of this data. Oh sorry. So now we use ndim function. Okay, n dot ndim and hit shift enter. See this is Bundy array guys. Okay, this is Bundy array, NumPy array. Okay, so now we will check the shape of this array. Okay, n dot shape and hit shift enter. See this 20 elements in this array, NumPy array. Okay, so now I can also reshape this array into 2D or 3D with the help of reshape function. Okay, or we can also reshape array from 2D or 3D to Bundy. Okay, so now we will see how can we reshape this NumPy array. Okay guys, so now we have 20 elements in NumPy array. Check this and shift and hit shift enter. See this 20 elements in this NumPy array. Okay, if I want to change this Bundy NumPy array into 2D NumPy array, then we will have to do it. So now I use reshape function. Okay guys, n dot reshape RISHAPE. Okay, so if I pass 2,10 here. Okay, the multiplication of these two numbers must be equal to this. Okay, must be equal to this number. Okay guys, so here we pass 2,10, that is equal to 2 into 10 is equal to 20. Okay, 20 numbers, 2 into 10. Okay, and now we hit shift enter. See this is 2D array. Okay guys, 2 rows and 10 columns. If we will pass, let's say 3 here. Okay, then we will get error. See and hit shift enter. See this value error. Okay guys, so here we write 2 and hit shift enter. See this is 2D NumPy array with 2 rows and 10 columns. Okay, so now we will assign this array in a variable and okay, and hit shift enter, and now we check n, hit shift enter. See this, and now if I check this array type of this NumPy array, so n dot dtype and dim and hit shift enter. See this 2D array. Okay, got it. And now I check the shape of this array. Okay, n dot shape and hit shift enter. See this 2,10, 2 rows and 10 columns. Okay, and now I want to again reshape this NumPy array into Bundy NumPy array. Then I will pass again 20 here. Okay, so n is equal to n dot reshape, and now we will pass 20 and hit shift enter. Okay, and now we see n and hit shift enter. See this n dot ndim and hit shift enter. See this is Bundy NumPy array. Okay, so in this way we can check the type of this NumPy array. Okay guys, so now we will take one more example. Okay, so now I am creating one NumPy array with 10 elements. This is a list, Python list. Okay, so n is equal to np dot array and here we will pass L above list and hit shift enter, and now we see N and hit shift enter. See this is Bundy numpy array. Okay, and now we will change this numpy array into 2D numpy array with the help of reshape function. Okay, so N dot reshape. So here we will pass 2 comma 5. Okay, because its multiplication must be equal to the total number of elements in that array, that is 10. 2 into 5 is equal to 10 and hit shift enter. Okay, so assign this in a variable that is n, and now we will check n and hit shift enter. See this is Bundy array. Okay, see this is 2D array, 2 rows and 5 columns, 2 rows and 5 columns. We can check type of this numpy array also. So here we will write n dot ndim. This is ndim function and hit shift enter. See this type of this array, 2D array. Okay, we can also reshape this array into 3D numpy array. Okay, so this is all about today. Thanks for watching this video. If you did not see previous lecture of this numpy series, then please watch these lectures. Okay, bye bye. Thanks.